Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram broadcast account. So first you need to log into your Instagram account. In the top right hand corner where you have the chat icon, you're going to tap on this. Now from here, again in the top right hand corner where it has the pencil icon, you're going to tap on this. Now from here you're going to have this option at the top where it says create a broadcast channel. Click on this. Click on get started in the bottom. Now from here you can put in your details like updates, etc. Once you're done, in the top right hand corner you can click on create. Now if you don't have this option, you may need to update your Instagram. Please do that first, and second, you may not have a large enough account to create a broadcast channel, so you may need to grow your account first. And thirdly, your area may not support Instagram broadcast channels just yet, so it may be rolling out in the future. But if you have the option, that's where it's going to be. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.